Let's see one more question. Find a compound interest. अब हम आते हैं compound interest पर. Simple interest questions we have seen so many. I think basics are clear. Let's read the compound interest question. Find the compound interest for 10,000 rupees were invested for 2 years for 10% per annum. Now we learned one formula. Can you all remind me what was the formula? Amount. So we know the formula is amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t. So principal is 10,000. 1 plus r is what? 10 upon 100 power is 2. So we will calculate 0, 0 gone, 10 plus 1, 11. So 10,000 into 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10. This 0 cancelled. We got 11, 11, 121, 00. So this is the amount you will be returning. What is the interest? Interest is 12,100 minus 10,000. So interest is 2,100. This is the interest. Interest is 2,100. Amount was what? 12,100. So here we got this by the formula, but we will not use it because we avoid the formula. Okay. But okay, so let's come here. Find the compound interest 10,000. So see one thing, something money we are investing. When we are having the interest here, the interest rate was the same, 10%. You used that in formula. But sometimes if interest rate is different, what you will be doing? In that case, you will need to implement the formula twice, thrice. So what we will be doing? We will be merging the percentage. We will be merging the percentage. How to merge the percentage? One basic formula, just see. That is not formula, actually you can directly remember. If A is the percentage for first year and second year interest rate is B%, now you want to merge these two, so just do A plus B plus, see, A you will be paying the interest for first year, B is the interest you will be paying for the second year, then you will be paying the interest for the A% of the B also, because A% you have taken as 100 rupees was the interest, then you have taken the 10% of that 100 was 10 rupees in the first example. Means you have taken the B% of A. So means you can say A into B upon 100 means A% of B. So like this, we will be merging the percentage in the compound interest. A%, B%. So A plus B plus A into B by 100. This is the point we will be using every time in all the SI questions. CI question, compound interest. We will be using this much percentage we will be calculating. Please remember this, write it down. Okay, now let's come here. For 2 year we are adding 10%. So 10% for first year, 10% for second year. Let's merge them. So what it is? A plus B plus A into B upon 100. So what it is? 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 21%. So now what is our task? Calculate 21% is the interest, overall interest. Now 21% of the money you have invested 10,000 rupees. So what is the interest? 2,100. Have we got the same interest in this also by using formula? And here also we are getting the same answer. So we will be using merging of percentage because it is effective, it is usable in all situations. If we are changing the we are changing the interest rate or some whatever we are changing, it will be usable. Everyone solve here. Now here interest is for 3 years. What to do? So in this situation, something percentage, let's take A, B, C. So first merge A and B by the same formula. Then whatever you will be getting, you will be merging this with the next. If it is for 4 years, so you will be merging whatever finally you will get that with the D and you will get the finally interest percentage. That much percent you will calculate for the amount principal you have invested, that much percent you will calculate. Now everyone try this question. Okay, so if you have to merge 10%, what you all are getting for merging 10%, 20%? You want, you can merge these two also, then whatever you will be getting, you can merge with 20%. No effect will be on the answer. 10A plus B plus A into B upon 100. This is the way for merging the percentage in the compound interest. In simple interest, it is directly A plus B, as we have seen, we were directly adding, but in the compound interest, this extra term comes. Okay, so how much it is actually? 10 plus 20 plus 10 into 20 upon 100. So it became 10 plus 20, 30 plus 22 upon 100, 200 upon 100 means 32%. Now, what is our task next? To merge this 32% which we got from here, 32 with this 10. So let's merge this with 10. Okay, so we will be merging this with 10. So we will get here 32 plus 10 plus 32 into 10 upon 100. Okay, so here we will be getting 32 plus 10, 42 plus 32, 323.2. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 3.2. So it became 42 plus 3.2. It became 45.2%. Now, what is our task? Our task is simple. Calculate the 45.2% of the 1000. So just 45.2% of 1000. So how much we are getting here? 452 rupees is the interest. So we will not use the formula, we avoid formula, but question can't avoid. Okay, chalo. 452 is the answer for this question. This already we have done. Let's do one more question. Now 10,000 rupees we are investing for 4 years. Now here the interest is being added for the 4 years. What you will be doing? Same way as we seen previously. So here the amount is the 10%. Interest is 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. How? Why we are doing? The one special word is written here, compound interest. That's why we are merging the percentage like this. So 10%, 10%, if we will merge, you will get 21%. Like this, 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 upon 100. A plus B plus A into B upon 100. So this became 20 plus 1, 21%. Okay, now you can do one thing. You can merge this 21 with this 10. Then you can merge this with this 10. You will be getting the same answer. Or you can do one more thing. You can merge this for easier calculation. We have just one thing calculated here, that 10%, 10% merging is 20%. Means these two merging also 21%. Now let's merge these two also, so that we will be getting the final percentage for the 4 year. So it will be 21 plus 21 plus 21 into 21 upon 100. So we got here 42 plus guys हम 441 4.41. So we got here 46.41%. Now this much percent is the interest for the 4 years. If this is simple interest, it will be simply 40%, but it is compound. That's why it has been added 6.41%. So how much is the amount? How much is the money which you will be interest? So interest will be 46.41% of the money you invested. That is the 10,000 rupees. So here we are getting this 4,641 rupees is the interest here for this question. This is the important chapter, so I will suggest everyone make the all concept clear. If any one of you having doubt in this chapter, you can clear in the next class after 10 days. Till then you will need to do the practice. Okay, let's do one more question. 1,000 rupees invested for 1 year at the rate of 20% compound interest per annum. Here PA means per annum on compound interest, but interest to be calculated half yearly. Now this is a clever person, chatur admi. Okay, ये क्या कर रहा? You are taking the money for 1 year, but he wants the calculate the interest after 6 months. Means actually you can understand the question like this. You invested 1,000 rupees, then one time gap, one time period you can take 6 months as a one time period, 6 months. So he will be taking the 20% for 1 year per annum, 20% for per annum. So what will be the 6 month interest? Half yearly interest. How much will be half yearly interest? 10%. Simple. Just half of the amount, because you have done the half of the time period. So for 6 months you will be taking, means 1,000 rupees, 10% interest. Then whatever money you will be getting on that, you will be again taking the 10% for the next one time period or next 6 months. So actually we will be having a 2 time period. So our aim is to merge 10%, 10% together. This will be giving us the same answer, because 2 time period are there, because we are calculating half yearly. This interest has been given per annum. We will be converting our percentage as per the requirement of the question. Question is calculating half yearly, then we will be taking that, doing that on that only. So if you will merge, you will get 21%. As previously we have done 10 into 10, 10% is 10% merging, we got 21%. Now 21% of 1,000, this is our amount money to be calculated. We have to calculate the amount. So interest will be what? Interest will be 21% of 1,000, that is 210 rupees. But they are not asking interest, they are asking the amount, what money you will return. You will return the 1,000 rupees which you have taken plus 210 rupees which you have you will be paying as the interest. Means total money you will be paying 1,210 rupees. This is the money you will be paying after 1 year. Okay, so basics question we are doing now. You all have to solve this question and tell the answer. And now